Hi, it's Andy Bauer here at Object Arts with another Dolphin Smalltalk video. In this video I'd like to explain a feature of the Dolphin packaging system which tends to cause some confusion amongst our users. If we take a look at the package browser, okay, and I've got loaded in an example game that I've produced in another video called the Lights Out game, and if we see here, if we just select that package and then go over here to the prerequisites pane, you notice that there's a tree view here which we can expand, and beneath it are the prerequisite packages that are needed to be loaded into the image before this package can be loaded itself. Now, the Dolphin packaging system actually will warn you and refuse to save out a package if there is any cyclic dependency here. Now, so with this video, what I'd like to do is to show you what I mean by a cyclic dependency and how you can fix the problem. Perhaps the best way to do this is to take a correctly loadable package, such as this Lights Out game, and let's alter it in a way that makes it not loadable. So if we go and take a look at some of the classes in the package. Now let's say we have, if you noticed here, we've got a dependency on internal bitmaps and icons, and that itself has a dependency on GDI+. So for example, if we got into a state where one of our classes was in the wrong package, we could end up with a situation like this. If I take the Lights Out cell class and I move it over to GDI+, okay, now if we try to save our Lights Out game now by clicking the save button, we'll get this message. The package cannot be saved. It will not load if saved in this form, so the package file has not been saved. Would you like to browse the package prerequisites in order to track down the problem? So if we say yes to that, it takes us to the prerequisites pane. Now, it can be a bit tricky going through all of these to try and find out where the cyclic dependency is. So you can right-click on the top level and say Show Status Icons. Now, any of these packages which have a cross by them are not savable in the current state because there is some cyclic dependency. Now, so if we just follow down the crosses, we see that the Lights Out game is dependent on GDI+, which itself is dependent on the Lights Out game. And we say, well, why is that? So we click on this icon here, and it basically says that Lights Out cell references global Lights Out cell view. Now, Lights Out cell we've just put into the GDI+ package, and that's referencing something up in the Lights Out game package. So the problem is that GDI+ could not be loaded before loading Lights Out game, which itself could not be loaded before loading GDI+. So you can see why the problem exists. So the fix is to find this global Lights Out cell and repackage it. So let's do that. Let's go to the GDI+ package, find the Lights Out cell class and repackage it correctly. And if we now go back to the prerequisites pane, you'll notice that with the status icons on, they're all green. So I hope that's explained why you sometimes get this rather confusing message and given you some ideas about how to fix it.